Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today we discuss about latest motorcycle. Welcome to our detailed review of the Honda CR300, the dynamic dual sport motorcycle that's taking the adventure world by storm. The Honda CR300 is a versatile trail conqueror, offering the perfect blend of on-road efficiency and off-road capability. It's the definition of a dynamic dual sport bike, designed for adventurers who demand versatility and performance. Narrator, featuring a torquey and approachable 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder four-stroke engine, the CR300 delivers power smoothly thanks to its counterbalancer. With a compression ratio of 10.7 to 1 and a Dock 4 valve train, this bike is built for performance. The CR300L's nimble suspension and flickable design make it an agile bike on any terrain. The long, motocross-style seat allows you to move with ease, helping you navigate changing terrain in comfort. Inspired by Honda's CRF 450R motocross bikes, the CR300's bodywork is not only good-looking but functional too, with smooth transitions between the bodywork elements. The CR300L comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, multi-plate wet clutch, and a number 520 O-ring seal chain for the final drive. It's equipped with a 43mm telescopic inverted fork at the front and a ProLink A registered system with a single shock at the rear, both providing 10.2 inches of travel. With a curb weight of just 309 pounds and a fuel capacity of 2.1 gallons, the Honda CR300 is ready for the road and primed for the trail. It's an agile bike built for the real adventurer in you.